cotton is not just a crop. It is a powerful tool in the fight against poverty. Across the world, millions of farmers and their families depend on cotton for their livelihood. In countries like Pakistan, cotton is the backbone of agriculture and the economy. This crop provides farmers with income, helps educate their children, and brings prosperity to their households. Beyond the fields, cotton generates millions of jobs in the textile industry and supports small businesses. It drives exports and contributes significantly to national growth. Women also play a vital role in cotton production and processing. Their participation not only reduces poverty but also promotes social development and empowerment. Through digital advisory and modern agricultural solutions, SAWiE empowers farmers to increase productivity and income. With better cotton farming practices, farmers can move out of poverty and towards a brighter future. Cotton truly alleviates poverty because it uplifts farmers, families, and communities. SAWiE, empowering farmers for a prosperous tomorrow.